Okay, I'm sorry guys. I got cut off because the video didn't go. It only goes for 15 minutes. So this is the second video of ELA Lesson 1.2. And the last question asked, how would the meaning of each expression be different if you thought about the meaning of each individual word? Well, we're looking at the expression that practice makes perfect. Almost means what the words say. Okay, so practice makes perfect pretty much means what it says. If you practice enough, you'll get close to being perfect at it. But the words, eat my dust, is an idiom that has a meaning of its own because people aren't actually going to eat a bowl of dust. Okay, so the runners will not really eat the dust Atlanta's shoes leave behind. This simply just means that she is going to outrun everybody. Did I miss something? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we did page 208. Okay, now you're going to flip back to 208 and 208. Okay, I'm sorry. You're going to stay on the same page, 208. Okay, so now we are going to reread the dialogue between young John and Atlanta to look for proverbs or idioms. Okay, so pause this video and read this page and look for any proverbs or idioms that happen between John and Atlanta. Okay, so what proverb or idiom appears in the dialogue of young John? The answer is that practice really does make perfect. This is like saying practice makes perfect. Okay, so it's an old idiom that's an advice. If you practice enough, you will get perfect. What does young John mean when he says this? He means that the more you do something, the better you will be able to do it. The more you do something, the better you will be able to do it. Okay, so by now we should have gone through all of the questions. If you need to, you can rewind or pause to fill in your questions on the Know It, Show It page, okay? So you need to make sure that you answer all of the questions on the Know It, Show It page. This is in your book, okay? I discussed these in the video, so if you need to rewind and pause and fill this out, then you can. But you have to get this idioms, adages, and proverbs side done on your Know It, Show It. Okay, so that's what you need to get done. That is the end of our lesson today. I know that was quick, but I do want you to fill this out whenever you are done watching the videos. Okay, I will see you guys later today.